right, so what's your name?
Brian Jackson.
Brian? All right, so what we got here?
1977 Buick Skyhawk.
Skyhawk. Now, you see while they was judging you, you see me lingering around like a hawk, you know, like, man,
Bird of prey.
Because I'm like, man, I gotta stop. I gotta get this car because you don't see them every day. And you don't see them this clean. So how long you had her?
Since 2005.
2005?
Yep, 17 years.
Wow. Is it original?
It's all original, except for a little touch up there under the hood.
Oh, okay. Okay.
First owners bought it, and her husband passed away. When I got it, it had 9,000 miles.
9,000?
Just turned 12,000.
Wow. How many miles on it now?
12,000.
12,000. Wow. All right, let me come in here. Got a V6 in there?
V6 on fire.
Wow. Now, is this a unibody car, or
Yes.
was these framed? I don't know much about them.
It's a GM platform H-body, same as a Vega.
Okay, okay. Wow. This baby is clean, man.
Thank you.
You just don't see them.
Done, so roll your windows down, we'll keep them up, close the door, whatever you wish.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
Beautiful car.
Thank you.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. 77. Yeah, you don't see them, man. You do not see these cars that often. So, wow. So the interior here.
Yep.
You take a look here. Wow. Look at that. The doors. Yeah. Wow. Now, see, back in the earlier years, they didn't use the seam sealer. But in these years, they did use the seam sealer. But I could tell that's all there. I could see the original lip there. So, wow, look at that interior, guys.
That came in red, white, blue. And that's the white.
Oh, okay, okay. So what, some would have the white, like the black, where it's black in there would be like blue or something like that? Or
Yes,
how?
so the white is on my seats, it could be blue or red.
Oh,
It could
okay.
be red and black or blue and black.
Oh, okay, okay, I got you. Wow. This baby is nice. Man, I tell you, so the stripes, so it comes just like this, huh?
Yep, that's a Hawk Accent stripe package. A
Oh.
whole whopping $33. And there were only 500.
That was a lot of money back then, though, you know.
Well, yeah. But I did find the production total, so I know they only made 525 of them with the black decals.
Wow, really?
Yep.
And this probably one of the only ones left, probably, huh?
The-
Yeah, you mind closing the door so I can see how that stripe go all the way around there? Look at that, that door closed nice and solid, guys. You hear that? Wow, nice. Really, really nice. This baby, you know, I've never seen one of these. I'm gonna just be honest. So you could tell that's how rare they was, because if it was only 5, how many per state? You know,
Yeah.
if you add it up, you know, I've never seen one of these. That's why I'm like, man, I kept lurking, like I gotta see if this guy talked to me here. Look at that, got the original dealer stick.
Dealership, yes it is.
Wow, that's nice. Black Hawk. And see, look at this, guys. It's got sport mirrors on both sides. It's got the sports mirrors. That's really, really nice. The sports mirrors? Yeah, that's nice there. Wow. Beautiful car, man.
Thank you.
Wow.
Hey, those anymore, do you?
No.
I had a
Wow.
76 and I
Look at the stripes. Look at the stripes on there. Around the wheel wells, the Firehawk up there, V6. Oh, guys. I mean, you just don't see these every day. Man, I'm telling you, I wouldn't lie to you. This is worth coming to the Buick Nationals right here to get a car that's so rare. I know this is a rare car. I know this is a rare car. Wow. This is nice. Wow. So what is, you mind opening the trunk? Yeah. All right. Wow. Really nice. Look at that. Look at that.
yeah, it looks like I'm surprised it's rust free.
Wow. Yeah, you don't see them. You do not see them.
I think today might have been maybe the first good time I've had it out in the rain.
Yeah, that's the thing. Everybody, I was telling somebody that inside. I said most of these guys, the cars would never probably see the rain, you know, the weather, you know, but she needed a little acid wash.
There you go. There. Deep clean.
Yeah, really bring the white out, I tell you. Man, that baby is beautiful though. She's original, man. That is very, very nice.
It's been a long time.
Wow. So where you from?
Thorntown, Indiana.
Indiana,
Just
okay.
northwest of Indianapolis, about 20 minutes.
Okay, so where did you find the car at now?
One of my best friends, best man at my wedding, he buried his mom, and then he called me up a month later and said, look what's in the paper. And I was the only one to go look at it.
Oh, really?
Yep, so I bought it.
No, okay. Ah. You don't mind me asking how much you paid for it back then? Because I know it's worth
$7,500.
I know it's worth a lot more now. How much you think she's worth?
I don't know. I've seen some cars go for close to 15.
Yeah. It's probably worth a lot more than that, trust me. It's probably worth a lot more than that.
Someday I'll need the money.
Yeah, because I'm looking at it, they rare. I could tell it's just a rare car. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm thinking almost 20 for this, being original, low miles like that. Yeah, you got some. I hope you got her insured for that too, though. All right. I appreciate you taking the time.